work with Sun Design was actually really great from beginning to end. Everybody communicated well. Every step of the way would ask us how we're feeling, how is it going, are you liking what you're seeing, are you not liking what you're seeing?
Ordering things or keeping track of their progress. We didn't have to do any of that. They pretty much took care of everything.
The people on site dealt with things that came up,
Yeah.
problems that came up, things that had to be dealt with immediately as they were dealt with. I think we have more of an appreciation of that process than maybe we did it the first time.
And the communication was perfect, and they cleaned up each day, and we were so satisfied.
Cleanliness on the jobs, we talk about that constantly, and I know that all of those guys are out there every day fighting to keep job sites clean, from trying not to have dust everywhere to making sure that material's not scattered around everywhere. I know that they're working overtime to get that done. We strive to make sure that the jobs are very clean.
We do tell people that Sun Design, you know what to expect. You're going to get what you ask for. They're going to do it on time. They're going to come in on budget, and they're going to appreciate your business.
Right.
And they're going to respect your house. And all of those things are very important to us.
It's great to hear that clients are seeing the results of that.